Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to increase sound on Windows 11. Click Start menu, then click Settings, click System, then click Sound options. Find the More Sound settings. Click More Sound settings. Whichever has a check mark, whichever is a default device. Double click. Click the level tabs. Check the output 100% or not. Click the balance button. Change the left and right volume settings. Click the OK button. Click the Advanced tab. Check mark all options. Click Special Sound tab. Then select Windows Sonic for headphones. Click Apply. Click OK. Click Recording tab. Whichever has a check mark. Then double click. Click the Levels tab. Change the level according to your needs. Click the Advanced tab. Checkmark all options. Then select 2 channel 16-bit 48,000 Hz. Click Apply. Select Yes. Then click OK. Click OK. Then restart your operating system. Thanks for watching.